Hello students, welcome to NEET with Satya ma'am. Today let us see one important chapter that you should prepare in chemistry for your NEET exams. That's electrochemistry. Why do I say this is important? Because every year you get 2 questions from this chapter. Let us see what areas to focus in this chapter. This is little lengthy chapter, but however, if you are thorough and if you are prepared with this chapter, you will be able to attend 2 questions, and the questions are not beyond the concepts of NCERT. Okay, so what areas you should be prepared in this chapter is conductors, conductivity, electrolysis process, Nernst equation, Faraday's laws, electrochemical cells, electrode potential, EMF of cells, electrochemical series. These are the areas that you should be prepared. Okay, so which areas you get questions most is from electrolysis process and Faraday's law you get questions frequently. These are the areas where you get questions frequently. Let us see what questions were there over the last 3 years, that is 2018, 19 and 20. In 2018, you had one question in this chapter and that was from standard reduction potential. Okay, so this concept is in NCERT. However, the student felt the question little moderate, okay, not too easy. It was not directly as such in NCERT. So I can say it was moderate from the student's perspective. In 2019, you had 2 questions in this chapter. One question is a problem that is formula based and you have a similar model in NCERT, so student felt it easy. It is from Gibbs energy. Okay, another was also a question, direct formula based question. It is from equilibrium constant, so you have to find out the equilibrium constant. Okay, so that was also felt easy. So 2019 there were 2 questions, both were easy. And 2020 also you had 2 questions. One was problem from Faraday's first law and another question was from electrolysis process. So that was a theory question directly from NCERT. Okay, so both questions were easy and it was within the concepts of NCERT. So prepare well, do watch my videos to have updates on the must do chapters for NEET exams. Thank you.